Okay, चलो ठीक है. So I'll just check this. हाँ. अब ये see now what I'll tell you is before I put it this way, I'll show you what exactly it is. See this both numbers, okay, are no है यहाँ पे, right? इसी के लिए ले रहा है. Now you can check this. Okay, what is your main number, Myra?
Yes,
What is your
sir.
number? 453949. अगर चेंज नहीं करेगी तो ऐ नहीं रहेगा, right? How did you change all this? How did you get the answer? Correct. तो यहाँ पे क्यों चेंज नहीं किया? Now what is the number? It is 20 and 32. 12 है, right? So if I say even position से, if I subtract 1, for example, if you check this even position 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So this 9, if you make 8, तेरे पास अभी खुला है शीट बेटा?
सर मेरे पास वो शीट तो बंद है, पर मैं बाद में खोल सकती हूँ.
Correct. तो इसमें जैसे तूने see, what I'll do is, see what exactly you done. Okay, I'll just give you example. Everybody look at this. Okay, this is number what I given, right? So what is the total? OP is odd position, correct? When you add odd position, 4 plus 8 plus 1 plus 6. Okay, so what it gives you? 4 plus 12 plus 13 plus 6, 19, which is correct. Okay, that is why you are getting here as number, right? Correct? Correct है?
Yes, sir.
1 minute. ठीक है. Then what is the total for this? 2 plus 4, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 5, 12. This is also correct. That's why you're getting this smiley here, right? And this is correct. That's why you're getting smiley here. Correct?
Yes,
Now what you need
sir.
to do is you make a change in any 1 or 2 digit to make this y divisible, right? So what you did, still have everybody understand. What is the total? 4 plus 8. So she has not changed this. This is also 1. She has not changed this. This is 5. What do you change? This is also correct, right? This is also 6. No change. Here it is 2. She made it 9. Correct? So this is what she changed, right? So when you make this 9, what will happen? This 12 will become 19. Correct? Understood? So then it is makes it divisible. Now second one, this is not change. You change what? This is you change 1, 2, 1. Here you change this, right? You subtracted
Yes,
7 from here, right? So it has become
yes,
y
sir.
again, right? Now you say 4, 2, 8, 4, 1. Here you change again 8. So again you
Yes,
made it 7 addition,
7.
right? So this also become yes, right? So when you take
Yes,
this
sir.
20 and 32, what do you become? You become 1, 9 as 8. Correct?
Okay.
So it will become what? 31. 32 minus 20 will become 11. So how did you do this? 4, 5, 3, 9, 4. Now you reduce, right? You reduce
Yes, sir.
here and you reduce here, right?
Yes,
Correct?
sir.
So you can not necessarily you should reduce 12, right?
Yes.
You can reduce 1 also. Because either it has to be, what is? Either it has to be, what?
It has to be divisible.
Multiple of 11 or 0.
Correct. Or 0 or multiple of 11. Correct?
Yes.
So make this 9 as 8. You will get it.
But 8, 30.
If you put 8, it will be reduced by 1, right? So this will become what? 31 minus 20 will become 11, which is perfectly okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm just sending you back this. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Everybody understood how the 11 divisibility text works?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Myra, okay, I am just reducing 5 marks from it. Okay. You just correct this and I'll again check this and upload, right?
Okay,
Correct,
sir.
beta?
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is we have done in a class, so there is no problem, right? Very good. Very nicely written. Very nice. Okay, now understood. Now see, for this, you can click the photo. What I mentioned is, you can show what is missing, right? Okay, Niranjana, 1 assignment pending. Tattva, all 3 assignment pending. Trisha, all 4 assignment pending. Clear? Now Niranjana, let me check for you. Okay, those who have checked, okay, I usually check not in the class, but today I am checking it because I want to see how you are doing it. And if you have any doubt, all the assignment has to be uploaded in PDF format. Correct? Correct? Don't click the photo. There is a scanner available. Okay. You have Google Lens. You have what do you call PDF scan. Okay. You have Adobe scan. There are multiple applications are there, right? Clear? Niranjana,
Yes, sir.
why don't you do it in a book, beta?
ये बुक में ही है
नहीं, बुक में नहीं, नोटबुक में नहीं. Why don't you do it in a PDF?
उसमें स्पेस नहीं है
स्पेस है, सब में नहीं है बेटा. जैसे मायरा ने बोला ना कि कुछ कुछ जगह स्पेस नहीं है, या सॉरी त्रिशा ने बोला वैसा, राइट? इफ देयर इज नो स्पेस फॉर समथिंग, देन यू कैन राइट इन द अदरवाइज पीडीएफ में लिखो, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? इट विल टेक सो मच ऑफ टाइम फॉर यू टू स्कैन एंड ऑल दैट, राइट? व्हाट? गॉट इट?
या
Understood? So it takes a lot of time. What you can do, there are so many scans, see? है ना बच्चा?
या
चैप्टर 5 होगा. चैप्टर 5 क्यों डाला है यहाँ पे? अच्छा, ग्रेड 5 चैप्टर 3. ओके. हाँ, yes, this is how you should do it, right? Correct. You don't write the number name in the words. This is you done here. Correct, right? This is fine. Okay, this is also fine. Okay. So this you should write. They have marked it. Very good. So you write it in a this thing. Okay. 12 crore 10 lakhs 365. Correct. 365. Which is correct. Very good. ठीक है, चलो, I'll check. See, Myra, can you see this? अरे,
Yes,
Trisha,
यस
see
सर
what she cannot write, she has created a document and uploaded it, right?
अच्छा
है ना? Correct?
Yeah,
So
sir.
number name she could not write, so she has written here, and she has written in a given, and it is written in this particular format, right?
ओके सर
Okay, so you can create like this and you can upload, right? For even ascending, descending order, she did not have space. So you've done this. Niranjana, you could have done this in a this thing, right?
box.
This you could have done it in a paper book. Where is ascending, descending order? How did you do it? Let me check. Less than, greater than, all you can put it in the this thing. Okay. Okay, ask mama to call me, beta. ठीक है? Niranjana?
यस
Okay, ask mama to call me tonight, right? So all these exercise, what you can do is exercise 4. You can do it in a class or in a book, right? So here you have to have just count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is greater than. हो गया. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now just 3, 5, 6, 7, 7, 2 and 0. So this is greater. Done. Clear?
यस
So you can do it here. ठीक है? You need not write in the book. Okay. Everybody understood what you can do it in a this thing or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Clear? तत्व तेज
Yes, sir.
समझ में आ गया?
हाँ, sir.
Correct. Next class, before next class, you have to submit all your assignments or come in the morning, right?
ये
Okay.
अब नंबर
Prime
कर
number,
सकते हैं
very good. Prime number 3 बार लिखना था बेटा, बट चलो तेरे को आता है इसके लिए I am okay with it, right? You know prime numbers. तो तूने एक बार लिखा है, ठीक है. पर
Answer or 2 times only.
कुहू,
Myra.
हाँ ठीक है, तेरे को भी आता है ना बेटा. See, this was main for Tattva and Tej. They were not knowing, right? Number 2 fact, prime numbers. Okay, good.
ये मैंने
Sir, me and Tej wrote prime
बेटा
Prime
तूने you have not
numbers.
written the full document, darling.
Oh, full document.
No, not you, Niranjana.
क्या
You are not required. You have not written the whole document. It is only part of it. Huh?
डॉक्यूमेंट
It is part only. You have not written the example. You have not written the justification. Nothing. First page का diagram था. That also you have not written, right? Let me see this. What you have done here. Visibility. So everybody understood how the assignment has to be submitted? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Sir,
Sir.
assignment left for Myra?
Sorry.
Is there any assignment left for Myra?
Wait a minute, beta. I'll just check. Huh? You yourself will be saved. Okay, I'll log in into your account. Okay, you have this available.
What?
What do you call laptop here from laptop?
Yes, sir.
Can you log into your classroom?
I'll try.
Why try?
Because
You
my,
can.
no,
No, you don't require password. If you're in this, you can directly log in. No
20
problem.
minutes. See? मैंने कल दिखाया.
हाँ, very nice, beta.
Sir,
हाँ,
do we have to write the document 2 times?
नहीं one time. Document
Okay,
one
sir.
time. Prime number 3 times. Prime
Okay,
number
sir.
तुम्हारा हो गया क्या? Have you done
हाँ
prime
सर,
number?
प्राइम नंबर्स हो गया.
Myra, I am cutting your marks for this. Okay. You have to write the whole document, right?
Sir, you called my name?
Sorry?
Sir, you called Myra name
नहीं, निरंजना.
I heard Myra.
This I'll check later on, right? This I'll check later on. Because I have to check every exercise, right? ठीक है? Clear. So, first one is pending. Okay. 8 tattva for you, everything is pending. First
Okay,
you're
sir.
done. Rest all are pending, right?
Yes,
HN
sir.
का book भी I'll
Sir,
just check
but
whether-
we did the prime number.
Prime number आ गया सब कुछ, अभी भूलेगा नहीं.
हाँ.
Can I ask you?
Yes, sir.
Very good. चलो. कौन बोल रहा है? तेज या तत्व?
तत्व सर, तत्व बोल रहे हैं.
बोल तत्व. Prime number 1 to 100.
Sir,
Okay.
2 minutes. Book
क्या
number
everybody listen?
2.
Everybody, अरे ये नहीं चलेगा. ओ भाई साहब, ये क्या लिखा है तूने? I told you to write in that, right? ये तो क्लास वर्क है.
नहीं सर.
अच्छा हाँ, बुक का है, लेकिन पीडीएफ ये देखो क्या लिखा है इसमें, कैसे करूं? I will check this. What is less than greater than? You have to write full number.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, ये मैं रिटर्न कर रहा हूँ तेरे को. ठीक है, आई एम रिटर्निंग दिस बैक. राइट द नंबर और बुक में लिखो ना. वाई राइटिंग इन पीडीएफ दिस इज नॉट, वाई आर यू नॉट राइटिंग इन पीडीएफ? अभी उन्हें एक डॉक्यूमेंट भेजा है. हैव यू गॉन थ्रू दैट? तेरा भी तत्व स्टेज तेरा भी ऐसा ही है, मैंने देखा था. बट आई वांटेड टू टॉक टू यू. राइट द क्वेश्चन और
Okay,
क्वेश्चन
sir.
प्रॉपरली. राइट, सॉल्व इन द क्लास. करेक्ट. अभी चेक करो इसको, बराबर से लिखो वापस. करेक्ट.
Okay.
अभी देखो ये क्या लिखा है, लेस देन ग्रेटर देन. इसका क्या करूं मैं? तेज,
हाँ सर.
व्हाट आई डू इट? ओके, मैं एक काम करता हूँ, दोबारा मैंने 150 मार्क काट करके देता हूँ. आई एम जस्ट कटिंग द मार्क्स. ठीक है, लेट मम्मी सी के क्यों गड़बड़ आ रहा है. राइट, हमने लिखा है राइट द नंबर्स और क्वेश्चंस प्रॉपरली, सॉल्व इन द क्लास. राइट, ये मैंने सॉल्व बहुत सारा क्लास में भी किया है, बट यू टू राइट दिस. राइट, ठीक है, क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
चलो, I cut your marks for this. So everybody who don't submit, I'll cut the marks, right? So you have to submit everything in proper format. Clear hai?
Yes,
Whatever
sir.
is not there, write
sir.
in a book. And you have to mention this. This is solved in a book. This is solved in a book, right? And Niranjana, when you write the paper, you have to write the question number also on the top. I'll just show you here. When you write this, suppose chapter 3, right? You have written chapter 3, 1, chapter 3, 2, whatever you are writing. Okay, what you should do is, you should check, right, which question is this? किधर है? आगे दिख ही नहीं रहा है क्वेश्चन. विच एक्सरसाइज? राइट, आई कैन नॉट सी. दिस स्कैन इज नॉट प्रॉपर.
Descending and descending.
ना, इट इज कंपैरिजन ऑफ नंबर. बट कंपैरिजन नंबर ये करना क्यों है यहाँ पे तेरे को? ऑल दिस यू रिटन, इट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड ओनली. दिस यू कैन डू. हाँ, नंबर नेम ठीक है, नंबर नेम इज ओके बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव अ प्लेस. राइट, ठीक है. सो आई जस्ट चेक लेटर ऑन whether you done all thing or not. Okay, but whenever you write this exercise 4, right? And question number A, B, C, D. I can't see. Can you see the scan? How you done? I cannot see anything here. Correct? Niranjana?
हाँ.
To scan like one page, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is
करूँगी.
exercise 7. Very good. ठीक है, चलो. I'll check this and let you know later on. Correct? चलो.
Sir,
ठीक है.
prime numbers.
Sorry?
Prime numbers.
हाँ, ओके. चलो, तो बता तेरा. Can you see this? Can you share your screen? Share your screen. Myra, share your screen. Kaira, तेरा कितना बाकी है बेटा?
क्या पाउडर कलर?
Kaira, for you also 2 remaining.
हाँ?
Kaira,
So,
for you also 2 remaining. Session learn and write prime number in this and divisibility test का 1 का part, right? Divisibility also you uploaded only 1. Why? नहीं लिखा ना, upload both the worksheet. You submit the same thing again. हाँ, my Kaira,
let me check.
you uploaded the same thing again, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Where is the second one, which I did in the class? I sent it on a WhatsApp. One minute. Let me share it again. क्या हो गया? क्यों गाना गा रहा है? Worksheet of 8. बेटा 8 I have given you in a class ना? क्या हो गया उसका? Have you seen everybody submitted? I'll just show you how Myra is done, right?
I had also submitted.
Myra, check this. I think you were absent on that day. You were absent, you were present. हाँ नहीं, you were present. Yes, 8-11 के time में you were present, Kaira.
Yes, sir.
Then why you not solved it?
So I solved it. I'm. If I check in the classroom, it's submitted.
No, it is not there, beta. Can you see here? This is your this thing. एक ही है बेटा. Kaira का first ये वाला. किधर है? Only one worksheet. Where is second one? Can you see here? Can you see the second one? किधर है?
Divisibility is very ज्यादा होंगी.
Kaira? Session 6. It is
So I
not
need
there.
to click the image and send it.
और मैंने लिखा भी ना, इमेज नहीं करना है, PDF करना है बेटा. Upload both the worksheet I send you.
Have you done it?
Right? I told you yesterday night only. Correct? So I'm returning. You submitted the same thing again. So that is I'm returning it again, right? So anybody, those who are nodding, if you see the missing one, okay. ये रिवीजन क्यों कर रहा है? मैं चैप्टर 3 किया है, रिवीजन क्यों ऐड कर दिया? कायरा, उनसे अपलोड कर देते हैं. ओ मैडम, ये क्या है? क्या लिखा है?
Chapter 3.
And what you submitted? Revision. Huh?
Sir, that is what she has been doing so many pages since 2 days, and then I was also doing with her, and then she was crying last night because then the word God did not get saved. She said she's been like 6 pages, 7 pages.
देखो, इसी के लिए मैंने बोला है. See, listen very carefully, everyone. I sent a video yesterday, right? I sent के keep on saving. I kept on telling के keep on saving. एक 2 सम करो, सेव करो. 2 सम करो, सेव करो. उसको बंद करो, ओपन करो, चेक करो तुम्हारा सेव किया हुआ कि नहीं हुआ है, राइट? वेरी गुड, इट्स अ लर्निंग, डोंट वरी. अभी का मिस्टेक चलेगा. अर्लियर यू डू मिस्टेक, बेटर इट इज, राइट? सो डोंट क्राई. रोने से कुछ नहीं होगा बेटा. लर्न फ्रॉम योर मिस्टेक्स. ओके, रोने से क्या होएगा? है अपना ही आंख खराब होएगा, फिर मम्मी का बिल बढ़ेगा, है ना? तेरे को तो फ्री मिलेगा. हमारा अगर मेरे रोने बैठा तो मेरा बिल बढ़ेगा, मम्मी के पास मेरे को आना पड़ेगा, है ना? डॉक्टर फ्री में थोड़ी मेरा इलाज करेगा, है ना? सो यू शुड टेक केयर आवर हेल्थ, है कि नहीं? त्रिशा देखो हंस रही है, एक भी असाइनमेंट सबमिट नहीं, लेकिन फिर भी हंस रही है ना त्रिशा?
Yes, sir.
I met Trisha last Sunday. I went to her place to give her chocolates.
मुझे मिला नहीं,
हाँ
मुझे मिला नहीं।
हाँ, तूने घर तक तू मेरे को त्रिशा ने मेरे को बुलाया था, तो मैं कल उसके घर पे गया था। तुम लोग बुलाओगे तो मैं आऊंगा, या तुम लोग यू कैन कम टू माई प्लेस।
मैं आऊंगी आपके प्लेस में।
कभी आएगी बेटा, बोल के रखना, ठीक है। एंड व्हाट यू विल ईट,
सर
ओके,
मैं आ नहीं
व्हाट यू
सकती।
लाइक टू ईट, आई विल मेक दैट।
सर मैं नहीं आ सकती, मैं गोवा में हूँ, गोवा।
अरे तो गोवा में पूरा टाइम थोड़ी गोवा में रहेगी, तो गोवा अकेली चली गई? गोवा अकेली?
नहीं
शर्म आई तेरे को? मेरे को बोला कि सर आपको आना है गोवा, एक बार पूछा क्या मेरे को?
नहीं सर,
फिर
नहीं आई हूँ,
ये भी दिल्ली
मुझे
जाके
भी
आई,
पता नहीं
कायरा
था।
भी दिल्ली जाके आ गई है।
सर मुझे भी पता नहीं था।
अच्छा, पप्पा उठा के नींद में उठा के लेके गए तेरे को है? नींद में उठा के सीधा प्लेन में बिठा दिया?
नहीं सर।
ओके चलो,
इतनी
ओके
सारी
नो
चीजें
प्रॉब्लम,
डाउनलोड करी है।
ठीक है।
ठीक है ना, भाव थोड़ा देना पड़ता है।
ओ तेज, आवाज बहुत आ रहा
हाँ
है।
सर,
तेज बहुत, कौन पापा किस पे चिल्ला रहा
ये
है?
कहाँ लिखा है पहले मुझे वो दिखाओ।
हमारे दादाजी चिल्ला रहे, आजोबा।
आजोबा ओरडू नका, सर ओरडताय मला, सांगा. तुम्ही तिकडे ओरडताय, सर मला इकडे ओरडताय.
खोल
प्रणव,
Yes,
Good.
sir.
लिखा है वो।
did you understand what I said in Marathi?
Yes, sir.
It was written.
Hey, you understand Marathi?
यस सर।
Yes, sir. I'm from
Chapter
Maharashtra.
3 of S-Chan book है।
Hey, you are from Maharashtra?
कौन सा करो?
Yes, sir.
Where do you stay?
पूरा रिवीजन
Sir,
कर।
my hometown is in Pune.
Okay, hometown is Pune. And where are you currently? Bangalore, na?
Yes, sir.
Acha, Kannada, you know Kannada?
Sir, I'm learning a bit of it.
Okay, so you will teach me?
बस ये 2 पेज थे।
Yes, sir.
Very good, ठीक है, चलो. Okay, everybody clear? तत्वा, माइक ऑन कर. कायरा, अभी आ जा, देखो कितनी अच्छी लगती है स्माइल करती हुई. हाँ, स्माइल करो, मिस्टेक होती है बेटा, डोंट वरी. हमारी उम्र में मिस्टेक करने थे, तुम्हारी उम्र में मिस्टेक कर लो, चलेगा, ठीक है. एंड यू आर लर्निंग न्यू थिंग्स. आई एम मेकिंग योर टास्क इजियर. व्हेन राइट समथिंग, डू सेव. एक बार सेव करके डॉक्यूमेंट बंद करके देखो, वापस ओपन करके देखो तुम्हारा सेव हुआ, चल मतलब बैठा है कि नहीं, राइट? ठीक है,
यस।
ओके बेटा.
Sir, just a minute. I just want to confirm
हाँ,
that so this one chapter 3 one so which has got around 11 sheets, sir. So that was the
आप
home.
can you share your sheet? I'll just tell you.
हाँ,
So anybody has a doubt? Hello, तत्व तेज, इधर ध्यान दो. And
हाँ सर,
Tisha, you also pay attention, right?
यस सर।
Those who have not submitted chapter 3, just pay attention.
ओके सर।
आपका स्क्रीन शेयर करो ना मैम.
yes, sir.
Okay.
So, sir, this
Okay,
is the
now
one that we want.
I'll make Myra 1 minute. I'll make Myra as a Kyra as a admin, so you can also see. Everybody can see. Hold on. एक minute, ma'am. Let me make Myra admin, co-host. Can you see everyone? Hello.
Yes,
yes
sir.
sir,
Everyone
yes
see the
sir.
sheet देख सकते हो? ठीक है. Yes, ma'am.
So, sir, this one which has got 13 pages. So, this was the homework, na, sir?
हाँ, it is chapter wise only. Yes, 13 pages. Yes.
Okay, so all this.
Now you have to solve. Go down. यहाँ पे exercise, हाँ, right. Wait.
Okay, only.
Now here, okay, separate with the comma. So here you don't have to do. So here what you can do is, अरे तत्व तेज, आजोबा को भांगा ना.
So, आजोबा.
Okay, wait, ma'am, go up. Wait. Now here they're using the separate comma period according to Indian value system, right? Now
Yes.
here it will say 3, 1. Just put comma here only. You don't have to write this in a book, right?
Okay.
Just write this. Whatever you can write here, you can write this here, right? Okay, so this you cannot write. So here you can write solved in
The notebook.
notebook, right? And then you scan. When you write, just write the exercise number. What is the exercise number? It is given on the top. Okay. And then do it. Okay, here you can write here, right? For example, it is 92 lakhs.
Yes, sir, I got it. Here we can insert the text box and do it.
92 lakhs 5,055. Right? So write this.
Or we can insert this text box also and do it.
Yes. Here is the text box. Yeah. Right.
Yeah, we can.
And this one. And so
Or
13
if she has a pen, see, listen, ma'am. If she has a pen, Okay, you have a this thing like I have something like this. Can you see this pad?
Okay.
So if you pad and a pen, it will be very easy for them to write. Like how I'm writing right now. So you can use this
So
also.
like,
You can use a textbook also. Correct, Tatwa.
So sir, only these 13 questions is was the homework, no?
नहीं नीचे जाओ बहुत है.
अच्छा और भी है क्या?
Exercise. Exercise
Okay,
4 है ना?
exercise 4.
Greater than, right? Just now I was showing greater than, less than you have to put, right?
This is
This is
fine.
ascending order. You can write here numbers, very small
Yeah,
numbers. You
this
can
is
write.
also simple. She
Okay, you
did
can
sir
write on the top. You
eight
can
digit
write.
numbers, divisions and everything she has been doing, sir. So
अच्छा, she has done it.
Yes,
हाँ sir, revision sheet she has done.
रिवीजन शीट से ना, रिवीजन नहीं करना, ये करना था.
हाँ.
ठीक है. सो इसमें प्रॉब्लम ये नहीं है, सेव तो हुआ सब बेटा, लेकिन तूने पढ़ा नहीं है ना. टीवी देखना कम करो, नंबर चेक कराओ. क्वेश्चन 3 की जगह रिवीजन नहीं किया तेरे को.
रिविजन शीट पर किया है सर उसने इतना बड़ा.
बस अभी ये हो गया, असाइनमेंट फिनिश.
Okay, and sir this one assessment 2.
एवरीथिंग
This also.
एवरीथिंग व्हाटएवर इज गिवन, एवरीथिंग यू हैव टू राइट.
हाँ फाइन, ठीक है सर, आई गॉट इट, थैंक यू.
ठीक है. अच्छा तेरे को एक वीक और देता हूँ, टेंशन मत ले, है ना. रोना मत. रोने का नहीं, पूछ लो सर ये प्रॉब्लम है क्या करूं, सॉल्यूशन है सबका. रोने से क्या फायदा हुआ. हो गया तेरा वर्कशीट. हाँ, वर्कशीट हो गया तेरा कायरा.
yes, sir.
क्या रोने से हो गया तेरा वर्कशीट.
Yes, sir.
तो मैं भी रो लेता हूँ, तुम्हारा क्लास हो जाएगा. चलो आई स्टार्ट टाइम. वो तुम लोग पढ़ लो अपने आप. हैं ऐसे थोड़ी होता है. करेक्ट. ठीक है, ऐसे नहीं होता है. राइट, करेक्ट. इट डज नॉट हैपन दैट वे. चलो आई रिवाइज फटाफट क्विकली. तेज एंड तत्वा. मैं वापस एक नंबर दे रहा हूँ. ओके, you to tell me whether it is divisible by
4.
everybody. Okay, I am giving you one number. 8, 5. Everybody write down in your book also. 0, 7, 1, 9, 2, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Now check whether it is divisible or not divisible. Right? So what I'll
Which number?
odd position, right? We'll check the odd position. This number, you can't see my whiteboard, beta. Can you see my whiteboard?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Odd position, we mark this. Okay, 8, 0, 9, and 2, 11, right? Total is 11. Now take the even position. 5, 12, 9, 12 and 18, 30, right? So what is the difference?
Sir,
Difference is how much?
19.
19. So it is not divisible, right? Not divisible. So make it divisible, what you'll do? Okay,
Sir,
tattva, wait. Tattva, to make it divisible, what you need to do?
To make
To make this divisible, what you can do?
to make this divisible, I can
You can what? हाँ, नहीं ना, डिविजिबिलिटी पढ़ा नहीं, राइट?
पढ़ा ना सर.
तो 11 का डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट क्या है? I already done 90% of it. You just have to tell me what you need to do. How the divisible, how do you make sure that divisibility of 11 is working and this is divisible? How will you make sure? जल्दी बता. नहीं मालूम है तो वेस्ट मत कर टाइम. हाँ
सर नहीं मालूम.
वेरी गुड. तेज, तो इसका डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट पढ़ा नहीं है, राइट?
सर पढ़ा, सर मेरे को पता है.
बोलना तो.
The sum of alternate digits should come in the table of 11 or should be 0 0.
वेरी गुड, करेक्ट. वो सम नहीं है, डिफरेंस ऑफ द सम ऑफ द पोजीशन. क्या है? क्या लिखना है? डिफरेंस ऑफ सम ऑफ odd and even position. either 0 or multiple of 11, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I got
Now to
it.
make it a 0 or multiple of 11 क्या करना पड़ेगा? To make it 0, it is very difficult, right? Yes, because difference is too high, right? So either difference should be what? The
11.
difference should be here. It should be either 0, 11, 22, right? Or
Yes.
33, correct?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
0
Sir, I got the
very
answer.
difficult क्योंकि difference ज़्यादा है, ठीक है? 11 is also difficult. Okay, 22 is good because difference क्या 19 है. तो 19 को you want to take it 22, it is very easy, right? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes,
Huh,
sir.
So
sir.
when I do is 30 minus 11 will become 19, right? So you want to make 22. So either of these you can change, right? You can change both, but we'll
Yes,
say
sir.
only one. So if I do this 33 minus 11, which is correct?
We can
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So you can increase this by 3, right? Of I can do this 30 minus 8. So I can reduce this by 3. Both ways it is okay? Yes or no?
list it up to there.
Yes, sir.
So now everybody will solve one by one. चलो सबसे पहले solve करेगा मिस्टर प्रणव. This is odd position. Black वाला जो है वो odd position है. You just check. Odd वाले को कम करना है, right?
Yes, sir.
चलो. So now what? Tell me what you'll do.
Sir, we have to reduce by 3, so I'll make it 5.
Very good. So this is first possible है. फटाफट. First possible है. कर लो. हो गया. Okay. Second, Myra. Now first is done. Go to second.
Yes, sir. We can make the number 8. We can make the number 5. We can make the number 5.
5 to?
Starting number 5.
No, that is already done.
Sir, we can make the 7 as 4.
Correct. Or this is you are doing only नहीं 7 का 4 बनाएगा तो कैसे होगा? It's a even position, right?
Sir, we
Even-
can make 5 as 2. No. We can
5 is beta 5 even position है. You have to increase by 3, not reduce. Odd position you have to reduce. Here odd position you have to reduce, right?
Okay,
Even
sir.
position you have to increase. Correct?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
So we can increase 5 as 8.
Very good. This will work. 8, 8, 0, 7, 1, 9, 2, 2. 1, 9, 2, 9. Right? Chalo. Next one. Trisha. Now
Yes,
we have done with this. We have done with this. Check with 30. 0. Can we make it? What did you do? Odd position? You do subtract by 3, right? You
Yeah.
do reduce by. Can I subtract this by 3?
No, sir.
No, right? So this is not possible. So we'll go here. You have to increase by 3.
So, so
Can I increase by 3?
Yes, sir.
Hey, 3 I can, 7 I can increase by 3.
No.
It will become 10. So it is also not possible, right?
Yes, sir.
1 reduced by 3.
No, sir.
Not possible. 9 increased by 3.
No, sir.
Not possible. 2 decreased by 3.
No. No, sir. And
Then what you do now? Now what you do? Either you reduce by 3 or reduce by what? 14, right?
yes, sir.
Increase by 3 or increase by 14. Increase possible nahi hai, right? So what you do? You have to manage into 2 different ones, right? Correct. So what you can do? You can increase 2 here. It is even position. You can increase 2 here, or you can whatever I can reduce it through, or reduce by 8. Correct. If I reduce this by 8 also, that is also will do, right or no?
Yes, sir. Right, sir.
Correct, huh? Understood? Because our objective is what? Objective is to make this is either increase by 3 or reduce by 8. So even I say 22 minus 11, this will also give you 11, correct?
Yes, sir.
right? So I cannot reduce this by 8. So I go here, but I can reduce this by 8, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Or I can reduce this by 8 and increase this by 1, right? That also you can do. I'll just show you the complex one. But as far as possible, 8 8 से हो रहा है तो ये. Yes, Kyra?
And we can also add, instead of 0, we can do 8.
Yes. So here, yes, very good. Very nice. Very. This is reduced by this or increased by 8. So when you increase by 8, what will happen? This will become 30 minus 19, which is also 11. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Very good. So now, to
And
make it, I'm using RAID. So what you can do? Yes, now you can do with the RAID. You can make this 8, 5, 8, because I'm increasing by 8, right?
Yes.
7, 1, 9, 2, 9. Very good. So 7, I can do it anything. I cannot increase by 3. I cannot reduce by 8 also, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So either I
Yes.
have to reduce half here, or leave it right now. उसको छोड़ दो. अपने पास जितना possible है उतना करो, right? Now here 1. Can I reduce by 1? Can I reduce by 3? Odd position, right? Can you reduce by 3? No. So can I increase by 8?
Sir.
Yes, I can increase by 8. 8, 5, 0, 7, 9, 9, 2, 9. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now this is done. Okay, 9. Either I can reduce by 3, increase by 3 or reduce by 8, right? Yes, so I can reduce by 8. Yes, I can reduce by 8. It is 8, 5, 0, 7, 1, 1, 2, 9. Correct?
Yeah.
Now here 2. 2 is a odd position. Can I reduce by 3? No. Can I increase by 8? No again. So leave it. And this I can do it, right? So it is 8, 5, 0, 7, 1, 9, 2, 1. Okay. Yes, Kyra?
Can increase by 8.
Sorry?
So you can increase by 8.
No. If I 2 increase by 8, what will happen? It will become 10,
It
2
will be
digit
10,
number.
then you can write 0 and add, carry forward 1.
Nice. See, that combination you can always do it, right? So now see, combination I'll show you. If I want to combination, so I can say here, if the difference is what? 19. Correct? So 8, I can reduce 4 here and 4 here, right? Which any which way I can do, which I am showing you here, right? See. Now 4. So if I say, if I increase this by 4 and reduce this by 4, still it will happen, right? Correct? So what will happen? This will become 26 minus 15. This also become 11, right? So what I am doing, I am increasing this by, for even position, I am reducing, even position I am reducing by 4. So this I am reducing by 4 and this is, I'll increase by 4, right? So I get 8, 5, 4, 3, 1, 9, 2, 9, correct? Now this is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Now here, I cannot, here, what is this? Even position. Even position, I have to increase by 3. I cannot increase here, right? But I can increase here and here both, right? Yes or no? Clear? If I want to increase, okay, I want to decrease 8. I cannot decrease 8, but I can decrease 4 here, I can decrease 4 here. So what I am doing, I am decreasing this by 4, I am decreasing this by 4. So what I say, 8, 5, listen everybody, yeah? This is a very good exercise. 8, 5, 0, 3. I can reduce 7 also. There is no need, right? I can, but I am just taking 4 for a simplicity purpose, right? 5, 2, 9. Correct? I can reduce 4 and 4 from this also. From here 4, from here 4. So what I can do is 8, 5, 0, 7, 1, 5, 2, 5. Correct? How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how many are there? There are 7 people, right? So I'm giving you roll number one by one. Okay, roll number 1. Everybody knows their roll number?
No,
Sir,
no, sir.
नहीं
No,
सर,
sir.
तुम क्या करते हो? तुम क्लास में आते हो तो क्या करते हो? तुमको तुम्हारा रोल नंबर नहीं मालूम अब तक? चलो, आई विल
दिया
टेल
ही
यू.
नहीं है.
वेट, दिया है. चलो, कायरा,
yes,
रोल नंबर 1. करेक्ट. मायरा, रोल नंबर 2. निरंजना, रोल
yes,
नंबर
sir.
3. प्रणव, रोल नंबर 4. तत्व, रोल नंबर 5. तेज, रोल नंबर 6. और त्रिशा, रोल नंबर 7. क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड. सो आई एम गिविंग दिस रोल नंबर. अपने रोल नंबर के हिसाब से चेक करो. आई विल चेक द रेस्ट वन. राइट, द 2 balance I will check. So it is, I'll give the roll number here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You check on the calculator and say divide. Type this number, say divide by 11. Check करो कि बराबर आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा. Right?
Yes,
I'll
sir.
check for the rest too. Clear? Check करो फटाफट. Everybody has to do only one. So it will not take too much of time. You should not take too much of time. Quickly और बिना आवाज के.
कैलकुलेटर और एक्सक्यूशन.
अरे लैपटॉप पे होगा ना जहां पे तुम काम कर रही हो यार. ऐसा क्या कर रही है? यस, आई चेक दिस. दिस इज करेक्ट. दिस इज वर्किंग राइट. आई चेक अनदर वन. 85071.
Sir, mine is working. Pranav, roll number 4.
Roll number 4. I check this also. This is also working. Roll number 4. Correct. This is correct, right? So you should not get decimal number. You should get whole number as an answer, as a quotient, right? चलो फटाफट. Everybody, come on. Type your number. फटाफट बोलो. Call your name and roll number and tell yes or no. Come on. हेलो. इतना टाइम एक नंबर टाइप करने के लिए है?
Yes, sir. It is getting divided.
वेरी गुड.
So it's divisible. Roll number 1.
रोल नंबर 1 डन. तुमने
Sir, divisible. Roll number 2.
है ना? अच्छा है ना?
Yes, sir.
Divisible.
वेरी गुड. डिविजिबल, डिविजिबल, डिविजिबल. वेरी गुड. किसका इसका डिविजिबल है? 1 का डिविजिबल है. निरंजना का 3 का डिविजिबल है. और किसने बोला?
Myra.
Sir,
Myra,
Trisha.
त्रिशा डिविजिबल. तेज तत्व
सर हम लोग कर रहे हैं सर.
कितना टाइम टाइप करके डिविजिबल बाय 11 करने का है? हाउ मच टाइम विल टेक? पूरा दिन थोड़ी अपने पास.
हाँ सर, मेरे को कैलकुलेटर नहीं मिल रहा.
अरे क्या नहीं मिल रहा है तुम्हारा? किसमें? लैपटॉप पे हो?
हाँ.
तो इसमें जाओ, स्टार्ट बटन पे जाओ और बोलो CALC, कैलसी लिखो, अपने आप आ जाएगा. और एंटर करो. रन में
ठीक
जाओ,
है सर.
क्लिक करो और रन करो. ओके, ऊपर लिखा है ना सर्च, कैलसी लिखो, अपने
हाँ.
आप आ जाएगा.
आ गया.
आ गया. ढूंढने में भगवान मिलेगा, कैलसी नहीं मिलेगा क्या? दिल से ढूंढना चाहिए. क्या हो गया? तेज तत्व जल्दी बोलो.
सर मेरा आंसर कुछ और ही दिखा रहा है.
क्या किया तूने? क्या नंबर टाइप किया?
क्या?
कौन है? तेज है तत्व है?
सर तत्व.
तत्व. हाँ बोल, क्या तूने टाइप किया? व्हाट डिड यू टाइप?
सर मैंने टाइप.
निरंजना वेट. निरंजना,
सर मैंने टाइप किया 5 डिवाइडेड बाय 11.
अरे 5 डिवाइड बाय 11 क्यों करेगा बेवकूफ? ये नंबर करने का. ये नंबर,
कौन सा?
ये नंबर, ये तेरे रोल नंबर थोड़ी डिवाइड करना है. क्या ध्यान है तेरा बेटा? 5 से डिवाइड, उसको लिए तेरे को कैंसिल लगा 5 डिवाइड 11 करने के लिए? क्या बेटा, क्या आदमी है तू? तेज, तेरा क्या हुआ?
77 लाख.
अरे बेटा, मेरे को आंसर नहीं चाहिए. डेसिमल में आ रहा है कि पूरा नंबर में आ रहा है?
पूरा नंबर में आ रहा है.
बस तो
सर
पूरा
कौन
नंबर
सा
में
नंबर
divisible.
करना है?
डिविजिबल है, खत्म. अपने को सिर्फ ये चेक करना डिविजिबल है कि नहीं है. करेक्ट है?
सर कौन सा नंबर
हाँ,
करना है?
अरे ये वाला 85071129, ये
850.
ये नंबर तत्व तेरा ध्यान किधर है? वाई वी आर चेंजिंग दिस? हाँ,
ओके सर, करता हूँ.
तू मेरा ही सबका टाइम वेस्ट कर रहा है, नहीं ध्यान देके. बता क्या आया?
कर रहा हूँ सर.
अरे तेरे को खुद का कैलकुलेटर पे यूज करना है,
हाँ सर, कैलकुलेटर पे ही कर रहा हूँ.
तो इतना टाइम थोड़ी लगेगा. जल्दी कर. जल्दी कर, आएगा ही वो.
कर रहा हूँ सर.
अरे कितना टाइम भाई?
कर रहा हूँ. अरे यार.
हाँ,
सर 11 से डिवाइड करना है ना?
बेटा
मतलब
किसका
11 का
divisibility देखना है?
डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट चेक करना है ना?
हाँ,
ओके.
क्या हुआ? आया?
कर रहा हूँ सर.
बेटा तू तो ऐसे तो मेरा पूरा क्लास खत्म कर देगा बेटा. हाँ?
8507.
Sir, actually it's already 5:30.
तो और क्या? नहीं, I want to check this also ना, because I want to check the television test of 11 also very detailed.
11.
Done?
Yes sir.
हो रहा है divisible?
सर नहीं.
क्यों नहीं होएगा? क्या टाइप किया?
85071129 divided by 11.
एक मिनट एक मिनट क्या 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 नंबर लिया?
85071129
हाँ, डिवाइड बाई 11 कर.
किया सर.
नहीं, क्या है आंसर?
77333739.
हाँ तो आया ना पूरा होल नंबर. तो डेसिमल किधर आया?
हाँ
डेसिमल का डिवाइड हुआ ना पूरा.
हाँ.
अगर डिवाइड नहीं होता तो क्या था? ओके, ये टाइप कर 850. टाइप कर दे 85 जो ओरिजिनल नंबर है ना. टाइप दिस. वेट, आई विल शो यू. वेट निरंजना. 85071 डिवाइड बाई 11 करके देख. टॉप नंबर 85071 टाइप करो.
सर नंबर डेसिमल में आया.
वेरी गुड. दैट मीन्स इट इज नॉट डिविजिबल. समझ में आया अभी?
यस सर.
सो इफ इट इज डिविजिबल यू विल नॉट गेट द डेसिमल पॉइंट, राइट?
यस सर.
समझा क्या अभी मैं क्या समझाना चाह रहा हूँ तेरे को? थैंक यू. हाँ, बोल अभी. हाँ, निरंजना
नंबर
बोल रहा है.
डेसिमल में आया.
हाँ तो नॉट डिविजिबल है ना. नीचे वाला डेसिमल में नहीं आया, राइट?
हाँ सर.
तो नीचे वाला डिविजिबल है, करेक्ट, और ऊपर वाला नहीं है, करेक्ट. दैट इज व्हाई वी चेंज द डिजिट. समझ में आया व्हाई वी डिड दिस?
यस सर.
वेरी गुड. ठीक है, चलो. नाउ एशन व्हाट यू वांट टू से मी बेटा? वन नंबर. ओके, ठीक है, चलो. नाउ रोमन नंबर. चलो, हेलो, आई विल टीच यू द रोमन नंबर राइट नाउ, राइट? व्हाट इज रोमन नंबर?
Sir, Roman number. Sir,
सर रोमन नंबर
एक
आर
एक
नंबर which are used in Rome.
एक करके करो, ठीक है? 15 minutes I have to finish, so no shouting. फटाफट Roman number, who wants to answer? Kyra, tell me.
Roman numbers are numbers used
Hello.
in Roman language.
Wait, no noise. Yeah, tell me. Kyra.
The numbers used in Roman.
Loudly, beta.
Roman numbers are numbers used in Roman.
रोमन तो यहाँ मुंबई में नहीं लिख सकते अपन रोमन जाना पड़ेगा लिखने के लिए
It's
है रोम जाना पड़ेगा क्या
originated
लिखने के
from
लिए
Rome. It's originated from Rome.
This so there are different style. Okay, now do you know the rules of Roman number? Anybody
Yes,
knows the
sir.
rule of Roman number?
Yes, sir.
Very
Sir,
good.
the numbers are in
अरे
letter.
रुक हाथ ऊपर कर बोलना है तो okay चल प्रणव
Yes,
if
sir.
you want to answer raise your hand in the system yes
Yes, sir.
tell me one rule any one rule quick
Sir, when two consecutive, when the same number is repeated, it gets added.
Nine. No. That is half. Okay. Yeah, Myra.
And you can't repeat
Sir,
it more than 3
Sir,
times.
the number cannot be repeated more than 3 times.
Very good. चलो एक आ गया ठीक है. But this is half condition. This is half condition. Okay, not full condition. Yes, Myra, Kyra.
You have to, whatever numbers are there, they have to be added.
No.
If there is a smaller
No.
number before a bigger number, that
No.
means it's subtracted from the bigger number.
That is one thing. Okay, but still it is not full. That is still not full. Okay, Trisha.
Yes, sir.
What is Roman number? What is the rule of Roman number?
I have not been taught Roman numbers
No
in the
problem.
school
चलो
yet.
वेरी गुड अच्छा है किसी ने नहीं पढ़ाया मैं डायरेक्ट पढ़ाऊंगा वेरी गुड
मेरे पास और एक रूल बताना था मुझे
पहले तुम पूरा एक रूल भी तुमने कोई पूरा नहीं बताया है राइट चलो बताओ पूरा रूल
when a certain number is repeated, the number represented then is their sum.
तत्वल लाफा खाएगा एक क्या कर रहा है
कुछ नहीं सर
तेरा ध्यान किधर है बेटा
आपके इधर ही है
अभी मायरा ने क्या बताया बोल what did Myra say
मायरा
ने क्या
ने
बताया मायरा वेट बोलना नहीं
मायरा ने बोला कि उसको स्कूल में रोमन नंबर तो नहीं सिखाया है
वो त्रिशा ने बोला है
क्या ने बोला
मायरा रूल बता रही थी मायरा वाज टेलिंग द रूल तब तो एक लाफा मारूंगा इतना याद रखना अगर थोड़ा भी तेरा आवाज आया ना डैड करके एक लाफा मारूंगा आई वांट एवरीबॉडी हु सेज यू टू नोट इट डाउन
ओके सर
तेज मम्मी को कंप्लेन कर सर वो शाउटिंग एट टुडे
ओके सर
मम्मी को बोला आज फोन करो नहीं तो इसको मैं रात इधर बुलाऊंगा एवरी सेशन के लिए आई डोंट नो हाउ ही कम्स और सुबह 7 बजे बुलाऊंगा सैटरडे को आई एम गिव 1 वीक टू इंप्रूव योरसेल्फ एक बार मेरे क्लास में नाटक किया ना सुबह 7 बजे बुलाऊंगा मेरे क्लास में और 12 बजे तक छोड़ूंगा नहीं समझ में आया यस मायरा टेल मी
Sir, when a certain numerals are repeated, the number represented numbers by them is their sum.
Okay. Now first thing.
Sir, can I
Listen.
tell?
हाँ कौन?
Sir, Pranav.
हाँ बोल. Last chance. Not after
Yes,
this.
sir.
After this I will teach.
Yes, sir. Sir, when two same numerals are put one after the other, they signal addition. This repetition can be done only 3 times and is not applicable with it 5, 50 and 500.
Very. ये अभी ठीक है. But फिर भी half a knowledge, right? This comes very later. Okay. First thing the Roman number, it is represented by the English alphabet, right? With I, V. अभी मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना right? मेरे को बोलने दो. And I'm going to send you this Roman number का. Everybody has to study. 4 worksheets I'll send you, or 4 this thing I'll send you, and I'll send you some of the worksheet in the classroom. It is in PDF format or a number this format. Okay, if you want, I can create a PDF for that. and I upload the PDF, you have to write the number name out of this, right? And there are not many, okay, there are around 100 number names, numbers are there, okay, only 100. Okay, I want to see how much you write the Roman. Trisha, you don't worry. I will next class, I will teach you, right? Or next
Yes,
time I'll teach you. Those who can do Roman number, they can do it. Otherwise, I'll not give you an assignment, right? First rule. But whichever I'm giving you right now, you have to write in a book, understand first and then write. Okay, first rule. Roman number are represented by the English alphabet. Now I am writing which are the alphabets. I'm telling you I, B, X, then C, then D, then L, and then M.
And
Right? So
Yes.
I, but if I go in order, it says I is 1,
1.
V is 5, X is 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is
1000.
1000, and M is, D is 500,
1000.
not 1000. Hello?
M is
Sir.
1000.
And M is 1000.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Eh?
That's correct.
So if you see here, all are either ones or fives, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But Roman number ऐसा है सिर्फ मालूम है अपने करिकुलम में क्यों रखा है. Now Romans are not also using this. Okay, Romans also stop using the Roman numbers. ठीक है, but we have in the curriculum we have to learn this, right?
सर हमारा स्कूल में रोमन नंबर सिखाकर भी हो गया.
तो फिर आता किधर है तेरे को? रूल कहाँ बता पाया तू? Where you taught me the rule, right? Now, see, hello, remember. Now this is first, right? Now second rule क्या हो गया? All the Roman numbers are made with a combination of 1 and 5 or 10 and 50, 10, 100 and 500 or 1000, correct? Highest number क्या है Roman number में? 3999. You don't have a 4000, right? Correct? ये 3999 उतना ही लिख सकते हो तुम, right? Because you can repeat any ones like 1, 10, 100 and 1000. You can repeat maximum 3 times. Only ones can be repeated. You cannot repeat 5, 50, 500. Correct? It will come only once. Secondly, 5 will not come before any higher number, right? I'll give you one example. When I say 95, 95, you cannot write 100 minus 5, correct? Which is correct, na? Actually, the calculation के हिसाब से correct, right? If you see this 95, I can write as 100 minus 5, right? 100 is what? C, and minus 5 will come here, but this is not allowed. You have to write 90, which is X, C, and 5. This is how you have to write. So 5 will not come before any ones. Only ones, tens, and 100 can come for the any before that, right? You have to write 4 and 9s are the difficult one, which you have to understand how to do it. Correct? All others are the simple one. Correct? Eh? Okay. Now I am showing you here. Before I can start the next class, I am showing you. तुम्हारा नहीं है next class. तुम्हारा नहीं है बेटा next class. दूसरे किसी का है क्लास. चलो wait. And this is what I am sending you right now. All have to write and copy. I am creating assignment for this, right?
Okay, sir.
आप दिखा सकते हैं.
मैं दिखा रहा हूँ. शांति रखो. मैं उसमें अपलोड भी करूंगा. डोंट वरी, मैं क्लासरूम में अपलोड भी करूंगा. ठीक है? तो डरो मत. रोमन नंबर Can you see this? This will solve it in a class, right? This one will solve it in a class. Next class, I'm not going to send you this. This you have to write Roman number to English number, and this is Roman number normal form, and this is from normal form to Roman number, right? This is the number which I already solved for you, but this is a question also. This is a question, this is the answer, right? So I have an answer for this, but I will not give you answer. You have to solve yourself.
So
Yeah,
so
this-
right now I don't have to do it, right?
No, right now you don't have to do anything. I'm just showing you what I'm sending.
Sir, can you make an Excel?
Array, no Excel I cannot make.
Numbers.
Chalo, Excel, how will I check?
That.
This is 1 to 100 का check है. So I have many Roman numbers, right? We'll solve many of the things. Yeah, this is another 1000 wala, right? Can you see this? All the worksheet also? See, I have question also and I have answer also, right? See, this is answer, this is question. So many things I have done in the class. I remember I have made a copy for this, right? This is a rule. This is, you need to remember, right? Now here, Roman number are 2D numbers, but these are the number, what I say, how you make the number. Second one, these are the rules. Roman numerals use only ones and fives, means 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. All the numbers are in the combination of ones and fives, correct? One is I, then 5 is V, then 10, 50, rule, okay, only ones, tens, 100 can be repeated maximum 3 times. 5, 50 and 500 can be written only once, no consecutive repeat, right? 5 can't be before once. So 95 is equal to, this is what I told you, it is VC is not allowed. Clear? Second, this is again I have written, I have given more examples to write. Done. Okay, so I am sending you 1, 2 and 3 sheets, right? You just write this and try to find what exactly you need to do. I am purposely not sending the assignment. Next class, I'll check this. I'll give you 2. I'll not give you more, but I'll give you more
we
one
have to
because
write
all the
all.
100 and this is. You should know at least 1 to 100 and some 1000 wala I'll give it to you, right?
You could
Sir,
just
I had
So I am
one
going to give
question.
you this 1 minute. Roman number 2D1, 2, 3. 2 digit का रोमन नंबर का दिया है और इसका भी दिया है, करेक्ट?
Sir, we have to write it.
Yes, you have to learn and write. Learn all this and write. बहुत छोटा है बेटा. It will not take hardly 1 page also भी हो जाएगा.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so it is very simple. Okay, but I want you to understand. Everybody will tell and I will ask. So if you are not understanding, tell me in advance, right?
Sir.
Right.
Yes.
Roman number concept and share. Learn and write. Sorry.
Sir, we have to
Learn.
write only the first, means the concept one,
Share.
or all 3.
Sorry.
Sir, we have to do only the concept or all 3.
All 3. तीनों 3 है ना बेटा? तीनों 3 concept ही है बेटा.
Sir, writing.
Writing. 1, this 2 and 3. All 3.
Okay.
So even I have to write it, sir.
Who I?
Trisha.
हाँ?
Trisha.
तेरे को तो पिक्का लिखना है क्योंकि तेरे को तो कुछ नहीं आता. You have to learn it. है ना? तेरे को तो बिल्कुल करना है क्योंकि तेरे को समझना पड़ेगा क्या आ रहा है. If you don't understand, you have to click the photo and send it to me. कि sir, I have read it, but I did not understand. ठीक है? And you don't have to ask anyone. Come directly to me. Clear? ठीक है. So I am giving very light, so you can submit all your assignments. Clear?
Yes,
Assignment. चलो bye. See you.
Bye, sir.